Once you've selected your federal or local area, the next step works the same either way. Click Create AI Generated Media. First, you'll be asked to confirm which logos ScriptWriter should use. Select or unselect the logos you want, then click Continue. This opens ScriptWriter. From here, start by choosing your tone and audience. Next, choose the type of content you want to create. Your options include one-page summary, detailed report, PowerPoint presentation, social video, email, and podcast. The one-page summary, detailed report, and email create text-based content. Select the style you want these written in and then generate your content. If you choose PowerPoint presentation, first select the style you'd like the presentation written for, then click Generate Content. From there, select your color, theme, and fonts. When you're ready, choose Download PowerPoint. If you choose social video, start by selecting a video style, then choose your format, 9:16, 16:9, or 1:1. Next, choose your color palette. You can use one of the preset options or create your own with the custom color picker. Then choose your soundtrack. You can use no music or select from options like upbeat, calm, or corporate. Each option includes a play button so you can preview the sound before making your choice. When everything is set, click Create Video. If you choose podcast, start by selecting the format, solo host, two hosts, or interview. Then choose the podcast length, 2 to 3 minutes, standard 3 to 5 minutes, or extended 5 to 6 minutes. Next, choose the voice settings. Depending on the format, you'll select a host voice, co-host voice, or a guest voice. Once that's done, generate the podcast script. Then generate the podcast itself. Your PowerPoints, videos, and podcasts are automatically saved in the media library. To save your text-based content in the media library, simply choose Save from the generated content. You can access the media library from the top of ScriptWriter or from the economic area search page.